Dolibarr is an open-source ERP and CRM software designed to manage business processes like invoicing, inventory, HR, and projects. Here's a guide on how to use it. Log into Dolibarr. Access Dolibarr by navigating to the URL of your Dolibarr instance and logging in with your credentials. Familiarize with the dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary of key business metrics. From here, you can quickly access modules like sales, invoices, projects, inventory, and accounting. Create a company profile. In the Setup module, add your company details like name, address, and logo. This information will be used in documents like invoices and quotes. Manage contacts and customers. Use the third-party module to add customers, suppliers, and other contacts. You can store information such as contact details, payment terms, and credit limits. Create products or services. In the Products or Services module, add items or services you sell, including descriptions, prices, and stock information. Generate documents. Dolibarr allows you to create quotes, invoices, and orders. Navigate to the Sales or Orders module to generate and manage documents. Accounting and reporting. Use the Accounting module to track expenses, generate financial reports, and manage cash flow.